Bullish Chilliz, CHZ, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.344563 and $0.650841 by 2030. Market investigators accept CHZ could reach $0.267993 by 2025. Bearish Chilliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.061256. Chilliz, CHZ, presentation Chilliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chilliz has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and chief of Chilliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Before sending off Chilliz, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices by means of a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy elite product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's online business store. What is Chilliz, CHZ? The Chilliz stage was made determined to furnish fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers prizes for taking part in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is as of now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It likewise offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chilliz is right now worth $0.076570 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 1.30% as of now with an exchanging volume of $54,944,407. Chilliz is right now positioned 75 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $570,812,615 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Chilliz, CHZ, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. Chilliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, CHZ. The CHZ cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.114851. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.107195 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.091881. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Chilliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.191419. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the CHZ's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.153135 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.168449. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.267986 and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.245016 and a low of $0.229703 in 2025. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Chilliz effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.344554 with a base cost of $0.306270 and a typical cost of $0.321584. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.398151 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.382838 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of $0.421121. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.474719. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.497689. Neglecting to assemble the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.459405. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.535973 and a yearly cost close above $0.574256 in 2029. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Chilliz will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.612540 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.650824, averaging out at $0.627854. Chilliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest CHZ cost in 2031 is projected to be $0.750362 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0.719735.